kui aga on vähem ruumi või aega, tulevad appi kaasaegsed komposteerimisvõimalused Biolani kaubamärgi all. Siin aga on variante palju ja igaüks leiab endale sobiva.
The most effective way to solve wastewater issues in countryside is to use dry toilet for the toilet waste, and then a very simple grey water filter to purify the grey water, and then of course composter for organic kitchen waste. That is the most simple and the most environmental friendly way to handle those wastes. We have different models for different kind of use. For example, these three here, these are mainly meant to indoor use. So these are able to be installed inside the house or a summer cottage. They are very easy to install. They are easy and smellless to use, very convenient to use and also maintain. But these three models, these are basically used and meant for temporary use, not for permanent use. So that kind of normal summer cottage. This one model here called Nature Room, which is meant for permanent use, normal household living. So it can be used continuously. It's a composting toilet. It separates waste, solid waste and liquids. And by opening this wall, now all the solid waste goes to the composting drum, which is there inside. And all the liquids go different way. It separates all the liquids, the urine and washing water and everything, and it goes to the sewing system. All the solid waste, it composts there inside in the drum, and the ready compost comes out and ends finally to this bucket. And that easy you can just empty the ready-made compost to your garden. This is the pedal, the mix the compost there. This toilet is that it's also separating, so it separates liquids and solid waste. Liquids go out via this funnel and to the collecting bucket or chamber there, and all the solid waste goes to these buckets. It has also the mixing material dosing device here. So just by pressing a couple times this knob, you can add some mixing material on top of the waste to prevent smell and make sure that it composts well. And finally, you have to empty these buckets after they are composted. You empty those to the garden composter. Kitchen waste or household waste. Composting is the most natural way to get rid of them, or actually not just get rid of them, but turn them to the useful compost and fertilizer. Here we have two different kind of composters, or basically they are same kind but different size. This 220 liter model is mainly used in households. It is big enough for 1 or 2 household use. As you can see, it's very thickly insulated. It has about 60 millimeter polyurethane there inside, so it keeps it warm all the year round without any kind of electricity or outside energy. So normally the use of this kind of composter is very simple. You just separate your kitchen waste, separate all the organic waste to the different bucket, come to the composter, throw the organic waste in, and then add about 1/3 of the volume of the waste. You add that mixing material, which keeps the compost and the waste airy and porous and allows it to compost. Then close the lid, and that's everything. That's all you have to do. So these two composters are mainly meant to the kitchen waste. This other one looks like a stone. It's still very light. It's made of plastic. It has also insulation like these kitchen composters, but the insulation is quite light. It's about 10-15 millimeters thick only. So this kind of composter is full enough for summer cottages, for example, to all kind of waste, garden waste and kitchen waste. And in year-round use, in permanent use, these composters are mainly used for garden waste.